Welcome to the assembly instructions for this Jeep EV Ride-On. The box of the Ride-On includes main body, steering wheel, backrest, steering rod. Start by taking the main body and inserting the steering rod in place as shown in the video. Attach the steering wheel to the steering rod, ensuring it's secured by screwing the nut firmly. Join these two wires as shown, and attach the backrest in its designated position. Open the seat and connect the wiring as demonstrated. Your Jeep EV Rider is now ready for your little one to enjoy.